guys, this is Davina with the Plant-Based Palette, and today I'm going to show you how to make cucumber avocado rolls. So now I just cooked some regular white rice with rice vinegar. I'm going to peel the avocados gently, and as you've seen, I've already thinly sliced cucumbers, which are on the plate as shown. You just want to slice the avocados just like this. You're going to put that aside. You're going to get a small bowl of water, put that aside, some sesame seeds, and your rice with rice vinegar. You're going to take some seaweed and fold it hamburger style, not hot dog style, so that the height is thicker. And you're going to fold it to make a crease, and then just use a knife to cut so that you create a nice line. Do this delicately so that it doesn't flake. And now you're gonna want the seaweed, the smooth side up. The smooth side is what you're gonna be putting the rice on. And just form it in a ball and just start spreading the rice. You could use a wooden spoon or your hands. I kind of prefer using my hands, and that's why I have the bowl of water right next to me. It helps to have the rice stick together, but it also helps so that it doesn't stick to your hands. But you also want to be careful to not drench the rice. But just pat it down. Try to not make it too thick of a layer. And put some sesame seed on top of that. And gently flip it over. And press down. You're going to put the cucumber on and the avocado. And you roll it, try to keep all the items inside, and you're going to roll and push down and keep rolling and pushing to create the form of the roll. And there you have it. Everything should be sticking together. You're going to want to wet your knife and cut in even parts. So as you see, mine's getting a little messy. That's because I wasn't using sushi rice, but that's okay. I just used a little bit of the water to keep it intact. And you don't even have to use white rice. You could also use black rice for this. I've used millet even. We're going to transfer the roll over to a plate. And I'm going to make the spicy sauce that's going on top. So I just have some Follow Your Heart vegan mayo. And then I have fermented red chili paste. And then putting some garlic powder, some onion powder, and a little bit of sesame oil, and just mix it all together. I added a little more red chili paste and garlic powder and a bit more onion powder, just to add a little bit more flavor to it. Just mix it up until everything's well combined and this consistency.
Brass on the left, saxes on the right.
Now I'm going to transfer it over to a Ziploc bag and cut the tip and just squiggle it on top of that sushi roll, just like that. And I served it with some soy sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like what you saw, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. I'd love to hear it. And if you want to hear more, stick around and check out www.theplantbasedpalette.com.